Welcome to our garden. Today, we're going to show you how to make a simple and effective homemade bug spray to protect your plants from pesky insects. Let's get started. First, you'll need a few basic ingredients. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of washing up liquid, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. In a small container, mix together the water, dish soap, and vegetable oil. Make sure to use a mild, all-natural soap for your plants. Shake the container well to mix the ingredients. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Now, it's time to spray your plants. Make sure to cover the tops and bottoms of the leaves, and don't forget to spray the stems as well. It's important to repeat the process every few days or after it rains. And remember, it's always a good idea to test the spray on a small area of the plant first before applying it all over the plant, as some plants may be sensitive to the solution. And there you have it. A simple and effective homemade bug spray to protect your plants. Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your garden. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!